Are you wondering how to prepare your home for spring? Here is a home spring maintenance checklist, which includes our top tips on how to get your home ready for the most glorious months of the year. Home maintenance is the ongoing process of ensuring that your house remains in good condition and functions properly. It involves regular inspections, repairs, and upkeep to prevent small issues from turning into major problems and to preserve the value and safety of your home. Whether you're a homeowner or a renter, home maintenance is a critical responsibility that shouldn't be overlooked. Regular home maintenance encompasses a wide range of tasks, from simple chores like cleaning and organizing to more complex projects like checking for leaks, inspecting the roof, and servicing HVAC systems. Here are some key areas to focus on. Structural integrity. Regularly inspect the foundation, walls, and roof for any signs of cracks, leaks, or damage. Addressing structural issues promptly can prevent further deterioration and costly repairs. Plumbing and electrical systems. Check for leaks, drips, and water stains in sinks, faucets, and pipes. Test electrical outlets and make sure all switches and fixtures are functioning properly. Address any issues to ensure safety and prevent potential hazards. Heating and cooling. Service your HVAC system annually to ensure efficient operation and optimal indoor comfort. Change air filters regularly to maintain good air quality and improve energy efficiency. Exterior maintenance. Clean gutters and downspouts to prevent clogs and water damage. Inspect the exterior siding, windows, and doors for any signs of wear, rot, or damage. Repaint or reseal as needed to protect against weather elements. Landscaping. Maintain your outdoor space by trimming trees and bushes, cleaning up debris, and mowing the lawn. Proper landscaping not only enhances your home's curb appeal but also prevents pests and preserves your property's value. Appliance care. Regularly clean and maintain household appliances like the refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, and washing machine to extend their lifespan and ensure they function efficiently. Safety measures. Test smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms, replace batteries, and ensure they're in proper working condition. Review your home's fire escape plan with your family. Interior cleaning. Regularly clean and declutter your home to maintain a healthy and comfortable living environment. Vacuum carpets, mop floors, and dust surfaces to prevent dust buildup and allergens. Preventive measures. Take preventive actions like sealing gaps and cracks to prevent pests from entering your home. Install weather stripping to improve energy efficiency and insulation. Investing time and effort into home maintenance can save you money in the long run by preventing costly repairs and preserving the value of your property. It also contributes to your comfort, safety, and peace of mind, making your house a truly enjoyable place to live. Home maintenance in the spring is a crucial undertaking that helps ensure your home is in top condition after the harsh winter months and is prepared to face the challenges of the upcoming warmer season. As nature renews itself, your home also needs some attention to rejuvenate and flourish. As the sun shines brighter, it's time to give your house a fresh start. Regular house cleaning not only rejuvenates its appearance but also prevents the growth of algae and mold. Use eco-friendly cleaning products for a gentle touch on the environment. Embrace the outdoor season by tidying up your terrace, patio, or deck. A high-pressure washer or a garden hose can help you get rid of dirt and algae. Remember, caution is key to prevent wood damage. You can even concoct a natural cleaning solution using vinegar and water for a sparkling finish. Spring brings the promise of new growth. Prepare your garden by purchasing seeds and bulbs for the upcoming planting season. Start germinating seeds indoors, and be sure to label them for easy identification. Get ready to transform your outdoor space into a blossoming haven. Bid farewell to the winter blues by refreshing your interior. Embrace light colors that invite the sunshine in. Add decorative pillows in pastel shades and bring in a bouquet of vibrant tulips to infuse your space with a delightful spring aura. Spring home maintenance sets the tone for the rest of the year. By addressing these tasks, you're not only ensuring that your home remains in great condition, but you're also creating a comfortable and inviting space for you and your family to enjoy as the weather gets warmer. With these simple steps, you'll be well equipped to welcome spring's vibrancy into every corner of your home. Follow our spring home maintenance checklist, and your dwelling will be ready to embrace the beauty of April and beyond.